I've wanted to talk about this for so long, but I haven't been able to until now. Recently, I was invited to an exclusive opportunity by ANCAP. They invited me to the crash lab in New South Wales to witness a frontal offset collision of one of Australia's most anticipated new models. Can you guess what it is? The collision simulates a head-on crash, and this is conducted at 50 kilometers per hour. Now, as a driver, it doesn't seem that fast, but you might change your mind after watching this video. This opportunity allowed me to get up very close and personal with the vehicle pre and post crash. So I can show you exactly what goes on behind the scenes, and I'm going to share all of the results with you at the end. So I am standing right where the crash will take place. So the barrier will come down here and the car will meet at this exact place. Lights, camera, action. That's what the tunnel looks like. So the car will come out from that door at the end there, come all the way underneath. This Kia Tasman is about to have a front collision. So this is what it looks like underneath. We are now walking down to see the crash, what's left. So this is what the front of the vehicle looks like. And this is the other side. This is close up. In Australia, we've had over a 50% reduction in fatalities per 100,000 since the 90s. As you can see, what goes into the testing of these vehicles is not only very expensive, but extremely sophisticated technology. What you've seen today is only a very small portion of the assessment process. Over 600 active safety tests are conducted, along with 2 to 3 weeks for outdoor testing and 7 physical crash tests. One crash test takes approximately 5 days. These assessments are extremely detailed, in turn delivering consumers the most comprehensive safety information to help keep you and your family as safe as possible. So there we have it. Kia's first ute earns top safety rating in a very competitive field. With the exception of the X-Line and X-Pro, the 5-star rating for the Kia Tasman applies to 4x4 dual cab variants currently on sale.